Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first video that I'm going to be making on YouTube and uploading. First time ever. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am actually going to do my thoughts for the first time on the first Naked Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, the first one. So I've never ever tried this, and you can see I bought this like a couple months ago just because it was on sale, and it was going out of, what do you call it, not going out of stock, but it's never coming back again because these colors are already individuals and they need to make room for more palettes. So as you can see, I've never even touched any of these. So this is my first video I'm gonna do. I'm super excited. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So if you all just want to bear with me for a moment while I get going on this. If I can squeeze it out. My fingernails are actually kind of in the way of doing this. They're just so long for no reason, you know. I'm gonna try and make this video short and sweet because I know how I am when it comes to watching videos. I kind of like things a little short and sweet. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. And I haven't even done my eyebrows yet. So these are my natural brows. Haven't even filled them in or anything. So I just wanted to get going in this palette. It's been sitting here for a couple of months now and I'm ready to dig into it. I've been trying to find the right opportunity to get in it. So now's my chance for my first video on YouTube ever. Okay. And I'm gonna start with this brush. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. I mean, it feels nice. So I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. But let's go ahead and go in. I'm gonna start with Virgin as a base and kind of go from there. Ew, this is really weird. I don't know if I'm gonna like this brush. I'm not gonna do this brush. I can't do that brush. So I'm actually gonna go in with one of my favorites that I've had since I was like 16. Got from Target. It's Sonia. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, so I'm not even gonna go there. But I love her brushes. Okay, just gonna go all over the lid with this. See what look I can kind of come up with. Sorry, that's so... The lighting's kind of terrible, I'm sorry. This eyeshadow is pretty. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm gonna use my other Sonia Gusick blending brush type brush. I don't have another one similar to it. I'm gonna go in with Buck, and I'm just gonna kind of cut the crease a little bit with it, and we'll see what the finished product looks like after that. This is super crazy. I've never even touched this palette before. I've never swatched any of these, so I don't know if you guys can tell. Hold it like this. Shadows are pretty. I know, how have I never ever used this? You know, I don't know. These blend really well. Ooh, wrong color. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the other eye. So like this side looks a little darker. Colors are really pretty. So I'm just gonna kind of blend, blend, blend. Okay, well, that looks really pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna use the Sidecar. That's actually a really pretty color. I'm gonna use that one. It's right next to Buck. And I'm gonna kind of place it like around in this region here. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go in, it's kind of like a slanted, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like a slanted brush in a way. And this is, sorry, what is going on here? It's kind of slanted a little bit. This is another Sonia Gusick Kashik. I don't know. But it's another one of her brushes. So I'm going to go in with that one. I'm going to use the Sidecar. That's a really pretty color. Ew. It's kind of powdery. Again, I'm gonna go in right here. I actually got this palette for like 25 bucks, and it's what? How much is it originally? I don't even know. I had to order it online, of course, because they weren't selling it at the Sephora store for whatever reason. I don't know if it was sold out or what. So I just figured I'll order it online. I don't even like ordering stuff online because it takes forever to get to my house, and I'm a super impatient person. Oh, I just had an eyelash fall out. This is so pretty. This is definitely not what I was thinking it was gonna be, but I like it. Sorry if you can't really see what I'm doing. But this is just me trying out the makeup to see if I even like it. And I want my first time to be on video on YouTube. I'm actually impressed with it. But isn't usually everyone impressed with Urban Decay? I don't know. Tell me what you think below. Okay. I like it. I do. I do. Okay, maybe now I'll go in with their brush. I'm gonna take the flat end versus this end. And I'm gonna go in with Sidecar again. And I'm just gonna pat in the corner of my eyes. Ew, that's pretty. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to try out more palettes, I obviously buy this stuff myself. If you want high-end or if you want drugstore, whatever you want, I will buy and review. And give you my honest opinion. I don't know what the heck that was, but that's super pretty. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my old trusty Sonia brush that I've had since I was 16. I'm gonna go with this end, and I'm gonna go into Virgin again. And I'm just gonna highlight my brow a little bit. Okay, perfect. And what do I think about this palette so far? I do like it. I know I kind of use like the basic colors. If you want me to do another look with any of these other ones, I'll gladly do it. This was fun, and who's ever watching, thank you so much for watching. The more views that I get and the more subscribers that I get, I will start doing maybe giveaways. That's always fun, and I would love to give stuff away, so that would be awesome. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is my first video, but hey, give it a shot, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna fluff up my eyebrows, my eyelashes. And I'm just gonna kind of like fluff away like the underneath with another Sonia brush. Because it did leave a little bit of fallout. And that's just pretty typical, obviously. Okay, well, there you guys have it. I actually like this palette. I really want to try out some more. I really want to try out like maybe the Heat palette, Naked 2, Naked 3, however many more there is. I do want to try them out. Now as far as the packaging, I don't know, I'm not really into velvety stuff. So for me that's kind of not something that I really like, but I like more of like something like this. It's kind of heavy duty, if I can open it, kind of thing. I've actually used this a lot. I love this Smashbox, but it has like your face, your eyes, and your brows, which is nice all into one. And it actually came with a brush that I'm picky with. I don't really like to use that a whole lot either. But this is nice. This isn't velvety. This feels a little more sturdy than the other one. It has a really good size mirror too as well, which is nice. So overall, I like the way that this packaging is versus this packaging, but this is okay. I mean, it does what it needs to do. These colors were beautiful. They blended really well. They look good. I just wonder how long it will last on my eyes. Because if I don't use a primer, my eyeshadow goes away, creases, it cuts, it looks nasty, it clumps up. So this is a really good thing to have. I have a sample size. So overall, I like this palette. I'm sad to see that it's no longer going to be a palette anymore, but I also understand they need to make room for more. And they do have all these individual colors, which is really nice. So it's not like you can't ever get these colors again.
I'm going to show you how to create an outline for your text.
You can get these colors individually. I don't know how much they are individually, but they are there. So, Naked palette for the first time. I'm impressed. I like it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope to have more videos up, and the more subscribers and the more views I get, I will try and make more videos a week, instead of just here and there kind of videos. I do love makeup, and I do like to teach people how to do things a simple way. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments below, and I will look at them all, and I will see you guys soon.